Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your wallet on your Talkie app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on wallet here, you just click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. Then here it's going to show for you your wallet. I have nothing here. And here can you pay here this here can you pay this coins here in your wallet. So that's all you have to do to find your wallet. So I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it in this list here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.